Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a microwave. This is a built-in microwave. We're gonna take it out today. I'm gonna take it out carefully as if I'm gonna put it back in. The honest truth is we're demoing out this kitchen. This thing will actually go on Craigslist for free or something along those lines. So first things first, make sure the power is turned off to the microwave. So because this is a built-in, the power is likely not something you can just physically unplug. So for me, I had to go to the outside breaker, triple check that I had it turned off, and I can see right here my digital clock went out, so I know for sure it is off. Make sure the power is off. If you're not sure, don't start yet. All right, let's dive in. So this microwave is kind of two pieces. It's gonna have this trim that goes around it. This is basically all just a trim piece, and then the actual microwave appliance. So there's 4 screws that hold in this trim. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple as that. Phillips screwdriver. And if you have it connected to a drill, boy, that goes so much faster. All right, let's zip these out. Okay, those 4 screws are out, and this trim piece should just pop right out. Simple as that. So we'll put that trim piece aside. You can see I took out the refrigerator as well, so it's a little gross down there. And now we have the actual microwave. So you can see here, Phillips screwdriver, Phillips right here, and a Phillips right there. So let's take care of those 4, and our microwave should pop right out. If you're wondering why I let that fall, I'm doing this one-handed holding the camera. So if I can do it one-handed, you can do it with 2 hands. All right, couple more screws here. So now we're getting down to more of the basics of the actual microwave, right? It's kind of funny that it's really just sort of a normal microwave that has a trim piece around it. Let's go after this. 1, 2, 3 screws right there. Again, all Phillips. All right, my friends, simple as that. And now this should slide right on out of here. Now, it might be a good idea to put a table or something down here, especially if you're doing this with one person. I've got a sidekick who's gonna come over and help me out. But what we wanna do is kind of dive in. Oh, look at that electrical. That's gonna be nice and easy. So you can see that I can just unplug that and this microwave is gonna pop right out. Okay, my friends, that's where the microwave was sitting. Again, this is a regular plug outlet, so boy, that makes it nice and easy. Here's the actual microwave. I'm able to just unplug it just like that. All right, my friends. Hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.